New at 6, solutions are in the works for a leaking wastewater pond in McCall. The leaking water is going all the way to Lake Cascade, and it's not a new leak. But the Payette Lakes Recreational Water and Sewer District is just now rolling out a solution. Abby Wilt looked into what that could be.
Engineers say that wastewater that has been recycled is then stored in this pond, which is a recycled water storage facility. This pond has a leak in the liner, and it could potentially be contaminating Lake Cascade. About a mile west of McCall sits a recycled water storage pond. It was built in the early 2000s to store recycled water.
So this pond is 268 million gallons, and it stores water from the treatment facility year-round.
And to use for irrigation.
This pump station over here pumps water during the growing season from the storage pond 7 miles south to farmlands and ranch land down there.
Engineer David Watkins says the liner of the pond is damaged from years of ice rising and falling along the liner, causing the recycled water to leak.
And it did find that the liner leaks beyond what the state allows.
The water's now traveling from the pond through drains to the North Fork of the Payette River. From there,
that river goes all the way to into Cascade Reservoir.
While Watkins says the problem isn't that it's sewage water leaking.
It's treated wastewater, so there is a misconception. A lot of people say sewage is leaking in. That's not true. It's treated water.
It's that the recycled water contains phosphate and nitrogen. When those enter Lake Cascade, it causes residue to build up. Over time, that can be harmful.
There's also a lot of sediment building up in the bottom of Cascade Reservoir.
So Watkins put his mind to finding a solution and created a Payette Lakes Recreational Water and Sewer District master plan. Within that plan, there's a $2.9 million project.
Cut out the existing liner and replace it with a single new liner.
It's up to McCall residents, though, to vote on that and other improvements to the sewer system in a May 2025 bond election.
I know people are frustrated about this under drain.
And if they vote no, Watkins says the district will pay for the new liner through reserves because ultimately the leak needs to be fixed.
Well, DEQ does have a compliance agreement, so they eventually would take action, and the district would have violations or many violations if they don't come into compliance.
The next public hearing for residents in McCall to have more information about this before the upcoming election in May will be tomorrow at City Hall. Reporting in McCall, Abby Will, Idaho's News Channel 7.